Good evening, everyone. How are you people doing? I hope so that you are fine. I am fine too. So, today we are going to discuss one more important topic. The topic is how to gain confidence while speaking, how to overcome the problem of your confidence. So, this is the biggest problem while you start speaking with somebody. You know, I am saying this topic because many people ask to me, how can we speak English confidently, or how can we overcome the fear of English speaking? So we are going to discuss this topic. Before going to the forward, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like. Now the topic comes, how can we speak English very well, or how could we gain our confidence? See, if I say from the starting that we are the learner of English, we are the learner of English, and we want to know how to speak English very well. So, in the starting, we will commit mistakes. We will commit mistakes because we are not native speakers, we are the learner. And if we are making mistakes, it means we will not be having confidence. So, today I am telling you how can you gain your confidence while speaking. So, answer for your question is make more practice. Make more practice. How is it possible? Take an example. You are in the starting phase of your English learning journey, and at that time, how can you just get this practice? How can you get this environment? So, first thing you can say, first have one-to-one communication on your own. It means is there that try to speak with you. Try to speak with you. So first step, you have to go for the reading as much as possible. Go for the reading of English storybooks and read the whole sentence and start telling the meaning of those sentences to your friend. From English to Hindi. Don't try to think at that time in Hindi. Think in English and tell the meaning of that to your friend. Or if you have no friend at that time, try to speak and try to tell you the meaning of those story or the sentences. By doing so, you will come to know the understanding as well as speaking as well as the meaning association with your words and the sentences. So how could you improve? First thing, go for the reading and go for the story making. Underline the words which are not known. Go for the search of those words, and after that you start learning those words and phrases. First thing. Second thing, go for the conversation. One-to-one conversation between a shopkeeper, between a customer, mother, father, daughter, father, friend. There would be a conversation. So try to listen the conversation of two person. Read the conversation of two person and speak the sentence of A person, then reply the sentence of B person. A, B, A, B. And taking this structure, speak in front of the mirror. Speak A and speak B. Suppose you are Ramesh, then you are Mahesh. Ramesh, Mahesh, Ramesh, Mahesh. By doing so, you will be able to speak, or you will be able to speak the sentences of both person. By doing so, you will come to know the structures of sentences and you will start making conversation with them. People often ask to me, sir, how can we speak English very well? I always say to them, start making conversation. Don't worry about the mistakes. Mistakes is the part of life. As you are a learner, mistakes are the part of learning. Once you make mistake, you will learn. Make mistake, learn. By the mistakes, you will come to know many more things in your life. So I told you to make practice, and practice you could make on your own. Many people complain to me, sir, there is nobody in my family, in my surrounding, my friend, nobody is there who can I speak English with. I'm also from such an environment. But if no one is there, you can play the role of your friend. Like, take an example. How are you, Ramesh? I am good, Mahesh. How are you? I am very good. So, by doing or by playing both the roles, you will have an idea how to speak. Both the people are speaking. It means you will learn the sentences of Ramesh, you will learn the sentences of Mahesh. By doing so, you will get the ideas there in your idea bank, and this will make you improve, make in the improvement in your spoken English. The level will be raised. First thing is there, start making sentences, start making conversation. Don't worry about the right or wrong. Second, improve your grammar. It means by making grammar or by using your grammar as much as possible, you will come to know how to make correct sentences. Okay? If somebody is speaking with you, you will come to know the meaning of that sentence. So by doing so, you will get the idea what exactly is the person speaking to you. Getting my point? And by doing so, once he starts speaking with you any sentence, you will identify the sentence and you reply the sentence. By doing so, improve your grammar. Make more sentences in the written, and as you are comfortable with the grammar, then make sentences or speak sentences as much as possible. By doing so, after some time, it is said practice makes a man perfect. No, practice makes a man better. More you practice, more you will get better. Getting my point? Third thing is there, work on your vocabulary or phrase. Like if you are full with your vocabulary, you can use any word correctly or differentiately with any in any of the sentence. By doing so, your confidence level will grow by the time. You might have seen by now so many times that whenever you are speaking with your friends, you can speak easily without any problem. But when you have to speak with your like you can say with when you have to speak with anybody who is highly qualified, that time it creates a great problem. You know why? Because because by doing so you will be having like you are feeling comfortable with them. But if you face any interview, whatever you know you forget, whatever you know you forget. So by doing so you will be losing your confidence. So what you have to do, start speaking as much as possible. Face such conditions. Face an interview once, twice, thrice, many times. When you face, you will feel that you are gaining the confidence. Okay? Public speaking is not an easy thing. So go for the public speaking, go for the group discussion, story round, story reading, and reading newspaper, watching movies. And next part you can say, watch English movies as much as possible. Watch English movies either in television or on YouTube. From YouTube or from social media, if you watch the English movies, cut the speed of those and go with the titles. Read the titles, listen the movie, read the titles, listen the movie, and start making practice with the movie. As you have made the enough practice, after that, take your mobile and record your voice. Record your voice for the improvement. By doing so, record your voice, after that hear your voice, and take a pen and pencil or with a copy and start making notice where you are making wrong sentences. So these all the things are there where you have to work. This is the specific topic I was talking about, how to grow, how to come with a fluency, or how can you improve your confidence. So confidence can be improved with the knowledge of grammar and with the practice. is go for the knowledge of grammar and go for the practice as much as possible. That will take you to the upper level. You will be speaking English like a pro. So I'm just sending you one more time. Well, I'm telling you one more time. Go for the practice as much as possible. Reading too much as much you can, and the listening, and lastly the speaking. Don't worry about the wrong. Don't worry about the right. Go for the speaking as much as possible. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you for listening me.